there's an education piece of, you don't just buy a machine and there you go and you go use it. There's a lot that comes behind that from an education standpoint, how to run it, how to organize your job. How many people do you need on the job?
Somero is viewed very positively because of the quality of the people we employ, but also because of the way that we give back to the industry, the way that we're bettering the industry.
We're here to help you. Whatever questions you have may not be about a laser screed or, how do I set this up or do this? It's about running jobs. And that's why we came up with the Somero Concrete Institute.
One of our contributions is to provide a training venue so we can have our customers send teams of people to our Somero facility, and we will train them, not just on how to use Somero equipment, but also on best practices in terms of placing and finishing concrete.
You can come in and you can get ACI certified. You can learn how to pour concrete, do edges, finish concrete, saw cut, do the whole shebang. And they leave with a better understanding. Okay, here's how it's supposed to be done.
You can go in and operate equipment. You can actually use the equipment in the concrete. It's very hands-on. It's very high-tech, and it replicates all of the things that you would learn while on the job site, but without the pressure of having, somebody else's schedule to adhere to.
And that's what really drives us, is to make them better. Coming out with new products. As I mentioned, we have over a dozen products. The reason why we have that is because we listen to our customers.
We have a very, very, intelligent and innovative engineering group. However, we wouldn't be where we are today if it wasn't for that feedback from the customers.
It's being transparent, having an open conversation with them, making sure, we understand what their challenges are, and sharing with them, some of the challenges we're facing and how can we, do better as an organization.
We're striving for what else could we do? What could we do to be better? How could we better service you? How could we build a better product? What would you like to see in the product?
When we're dealing with the customers in the field, we're constantly bringing back that information to share with engineering, to share within the department, and to find ways to improve.
So we have an incredible inroad to our customers in what our customers need. Virtually all the inventions that we've made because our customers said, here's my problem.
We're doing everything we can, everything humanly possible to make sure that if there are new ideas out there that we can either roll into products or roll into new products, come up with a new innovative product that can help our customers' day move along better or make them more money at the end of the day.
Well, it really is what helps us to stay as the leaders in the industry, is constantly looking at that change, constantly looking for that next thing that our customer needs.
That's what keeps me going. I just can't wait for the next innovation that we hit the marketplace and everyone goes, wow, just like they did with the 240 and the SkyScreed. So that's what keeps us going. That innovation is really what keeps us all, the blood flowing and everything else. So
there's still tremendous opportunities for us to grow the markets of the world and grow new products. And that's what excites us.
We are a cutting edge company, and our goal is to provide these cutting edge products to the market to, further the industry, to improve the processes that are currently at stake, and better the lives of the people that are performing these roles out in the field.
About 90% of the customer's revenue comes from laser screeding. So we are very, very important to the welfare of their family. If something goes wrong with our equipment or something goes wrong with us, it will have a huge impact on them. We know that, and they thank us for knowing that a lot.
Maintaining that personal level interaction, service to the customer. As we continue to grow, we don't want to lose sight of that.
I'm excited about not 25 years from now, but next year and 5 years down the road, we got some pretty cool stuff that we're working on.